We are on Laneda in Manzanita after the tornado hit. Trees are down with responders and work crews actively chopping logs and removing debris from the main part of the street. We also have some destruction here over at Salt and Paper. Windows have blown out at Syzygy. We have lots of homes that have also experienced damage. Trees have blown over. Trees are in houses. Power lines are down in Manzanita. The roof of Moxie has been all but destroyed. There's just debris and a mess everywhere. We've heard that EVC is mobilized to create a shelter at Calvary Center, fire station. Houses are just a mess. Manzanita Cones and Coffee is just obliterated on the side. Power poles are down. But again, lots of people have mobilized to get help and start helping. We've just received a warning that everyone needs to get indoors. We're going to do our best to abide by that. There is some residential damage. Thankfully, this area doesn't look like anything too catastrophic. Crews have done a wonderful job making sure these trees and debris are out of the way. Stay tuned.